Salty grass. Come on, mate.
Guys, keep moving, please. Please, your camera phones still work when you move. If you don't get a good picture, there are 10,000 on Google. Please keep moving.
Keep moving. Yeah, we're taking photos, isn't it?
Keep moving.
Clear the road, please. Keep moving, darling.
Keep moving, guys. Keep moving, please.
Please note that access to Buckingham Palace is now closed. There are restrictions in place around the Mall, Horseguards Road and St James's Park. Hyde Park Floral site remains open. Please follow the direction of stewards.
Backing everyone up, keep moving through please, keep crossing.
Keep crossing through.
Keep moving through please.
Keep moving, you won't see anything. People, stop. Sorry guys, stop.
I actually said this to them. No, it's far.
Unless you got an invite.
Yeah, unless you got an invite, yeah. So I'm impressed, yeah.
How far down you?
See my finger? I think it's black. Is it the black door right there?
No, not that one. But just opposite where those people are over there on the left. Directly opposite. That's where it goes now.
If you go way over there, you can see.
That's actually that's the main setup. No problem.
We have to let these.
Come on, cross.
It's going to be America. That is Joe Biden. Yeah, it might be Joe Biden.
all of us.
Did you see his face?